What if I told you that you don't need 6 months to grow a YouTube channel? What if you could hit your first 1,000 subscribers in just 1 week? Most creators are stuck in the slow grind because they follow outdated rules. But today, I'm showing you the 7-day velocity strategy. This isn't about uploading more, it's about a psychological glitch in the algorithm that forces your videos onto people's homepages. If you're tired of seeing 0 views, pay close attention. To grow a YouTube channel in record time, you must stop treating it like a hobby and start treating it like a data-driven business. The most critical factor is mastering the hook value loop framework. Start every video by addressing a specific viewer pain point or curiosity within the first 5 seconds to secure your retention rate, then deliver high-density value without unnecessary filler. To trigger the algorithm, focus on trend jacking by identifying rising topics in your niche that have high search volume but low competition, allowing your videos to ride the wave of existing momentum. Your thumbnails shouldn't just be pretty, they must create a curiosity gap that forces a click, while your title should balance SEO keywords with emotional triggers. Beyond individual videos, you need to increase your channel's session time by using playlists and end-screen elements that lead viewers into a binge loop, telling YouTube that your content keeps users on the platform. Finally, consistency isn't just about uploading daily, it's about consistent quality and branding that builds trust, turning casual viewers into loyal subscribers who anticipate your next move. To grow your YouTube channel in 2026, you need to understand that the platform has shifted from just counting views to measuring viewer satisfaction. The algorithm is now an AI-driven system that analyzes your video frame by frame to see if you actually deliver on your promises. Here are the most effective strategies for 2026 to help you hit those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 1. The clarity beats charisma rule. In 2026, being vague is the #1 killer of small channels. You don't need to be the most charming person on camera, but you must be the most clear. The 5-second test: can a new viewer understand exactly what they will gain from your video within the first 5 seconds? If not, they will swipe away. The content promise: every video should solve one specific problem for one specific person. Don't try to appeal to everyone. 2. High-velocity shorts to long funnel. YouTube Shorts are no longer just random clips, they are the fastest way to get discovered in 2026. The entry point: use shorts to test ideas. If a 60-second short gets a high swipe-through rate, turn that exact topic into a 10-minute deep dive. Community bridge: shorts bring in the subscribers, but your long-form content builds the watch hours. Use the related video feature in the Shorts editor to drive traffic directly to your longer videos. 3. Master the pattern interrupt. To keep people watching, retention, you must change the energy of the video every 30 to 45 seconds. Visual breaks: switch camera angles, add on-screen text, or use B-roll, secondary footage. The open loop: midway through the video, mention something valuable that you will reveal at the very end. This loops the viewer into staying. 4. Optimize for session time. YouTube doesn't just care about your video, it cares if your video keeps the user on YouTube. Outcome-based playlists: instead of random folders, create playlists that lead to a result, e.g., Day 1 to Day 7, Learn Python. The end screen trap: never say thanks for watching, or goodbye. That's a signal for the viewer to leave. Instead, say, now that you know, topic A, you're missing one key piece, which I explain in this video right here, and point to the next video. 5. Leverage 2026 SEO tools. The algorithm now listens to your spoken words and reads your on-screen text. Spoken keywords: naturally say your main keywords early in the video. AI packaging: use tools to analyze your competitors' rising waves, topics that are currently getting more views than the creator has subscribers. That is where the algorithm glitch, hidden demand, lives. Monetization checklist, 2026. Subscribers, 1,000, must be organic, fake subs will get your channel flagged by the new AI. Watch hours, 4,000 hours, long form, or 10 million shorts views, in 90 days. Trust score: behave like a human. Engage in the comments of other creators in your niche and reply to your own viewers.